All right, July 4th, Independence Day edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I am meteorologist Matthew East. Lots to talk about here. Let's get right into it. There's a look during, actually, right about 7 a.m. this morning, cutting the video a little later than normal, but 7 a.m. look from our Greensboro tower camera perspective. As we start today, we'll shift it down to Charlotte. Take a look at the Dowd YMCA camera. There's been some low clouds and fog in some spots early today. That's eroding away. And the temperature at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, 73. Look at that dew point way up there at 70. It will be a very, very muggy day once again. Yesterday highs, pretty steamy across the region, 94 in Fayetteville. Same story in Columbia, Wilmington 92. Charlotte hit 92. That was 3 above the average. Greensboro hit 89, 1 above the average, specifically Triad viewing area, upper 80s to around 90. Piedmont zones around Charlotte, 90 or so. Mountain areas, 70s. Foothills in the mid and upper 80s. All right, here's the radar early this morning, 5 and 6 o'clock hours. Quiet across the Carolinas by and large. One thunderstorm approaching the Wilmington area beaches from the southwest. Otherwise, you look to the west of us. Here comes today's disturbance, rolling through Tennessee and Kentucky and into North Alabama. That'll enhance the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms around here later today. And then further west, there is tomorrow's disturbance, moving from Oklahoma into Arkansas and Texas. And that'll bring us better chances again tomorrow for some scattered thunderstorms. So here's the high-resolution modeling. You can clearly pick up those two disturbances. There's one counterclockwise swirl. Here's another one. And those just kind of meander our way and at times enhance the chances for showers and storms. So as we go through this afternoon and into this evening, this looks like a day where it's going to be a later afternoon deal in the Piedmont. So late afternoon into the evening, that's our best chance for seeing these scattered showers and thunderstorms in the foothills in the Piedmont. Now, that's not great news for the fireworks displays. Now, not everybody will have problems, but I certainly can't rule out some delays or some issues with some of these meandering thunderstorms here and there. I still don't think it's a great severe weather setup. The SPC has outlined a good chunk of the region in a Category 1 or marginal risk for severe weather. But again, I think not a huge widespread severe weather threat today, but maybe 1 or 2 storms that produce some damaging winds. But again, today, maybe the bigger threat, of course, lightning within the outdoor plans, and there are a lot of them today and this evening, but also some heavy rain due to relatively slow movement of these thunderstorms today. So again, as we go through the afternoon and the evening, there's your scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. There's our highs today, another pretty hot and steamy day across the region. We'll check the Charlotte skycast for today. Around 90 in the Charlotte metro, scattered thunderstorms, and then for the fireworks displays this evening, can't rule out a lingering thunderstorm here or there, with temperatures dropping through the 80s and into the 70s. There you go tomorrow. Same basic idea. Good chance for scattered thunderstorms as our Wednesday rolls along. Highs look like that. And then probably a little bit of a decrease in the coverage of thunderstorms for Thursday and Friday. And as that decrease in thunderstorm coverage occurs, temperatures crank up a little bit. There's our Thursday highs, and Friday looks just as hot. Over the weekend, could be some isolated storms here or there, but I think a lot of us will be rain-free over the upcoming weekend. Now, let me talk about the tropics here. We're watching this tropical wave out into the Atlantic Ocean. It's actually a relatively well-defined area of low pressure that we're keeping an eye on. Right in this general area right there is what we're watching, and that is an area of low pressure that's slowly developing. It could become sooner rather than later our next classified tropical system. When it does acquire a name, it will be Don, and we'll continue to see this moving west-northwest across the Atlantic Ocean over the next 5 to 7 days. So it bears watching. Here's the European computer model solution. Now, this is Friday afternoon, and so there is where it's indicating that system being. And it just kind of moves west-northwest from there over the weekend and into early next week. So this is something to watch, nothing to be overly concerned about right now, but something to keep an eye on for down the road. If you're heading to the coast over the next few days, that scattered thunderstorm chance continues as we move forward in time. And high temperatures getting up toward the low 90s in many coastal spots by Thursday and Friday. Mountain zones, scattered thunderstorms over the next couple of days, and similar in the mountains as what I was mentioning for the rest of the region, a decrease in the coverage of storms toward the end of the work week and the weekend. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. There'll be another one tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe. Have a great day, and God bless.